In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dynamic pages in Wix using your collections. This skill is incredibly useful for those who want to create dynamic content on their website, making it more interactive and engaging for visitors. Let's dive in step by step to ensure you have a smooth experience. First, you'll need to access your Wix editor, which is where all the magic happens. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find the CMS panel. This is where you can manage your site structure and content. Clicking on the CMS panel opens up a world of possibilities for managing your data collections, which are essentially groups of structured content that you can dynamically display on your site. Now, within the CMS panel, you'll see an option called Your Collections. Clicking here will show you all the data collections that you've created on your Wix site. Think of each collection as a database that stores information which you can utilize in various ways throughout your pages. Next, you'll need to decide which collection you want to use to create a dynamic page. Once you've identified this collection, hover over it with your mouse. This brings up a few options for you to interact with the collection. What you're looking for is the More Actions icon, usually depicted as 3 dots or a cogwheel. Give that a click. From the options that appear, choose the one titled Add Dynamic Page. This is where you can select what kind of dynamic page you wish to create. There are 2 main types to consider, a list page and an item page. A list page is perfect when you want to display all the items from your collection in one place. On the other hand, an item page serves as a template for displaying the details of individual items from your collection. And the best part? You can add both types to your site, providing comprehensive options for your users. Once you've made your choice, confirm it by clicking Add to Site. This will integrate the dynamic pages into your existing site structure. You'll notice them appear in your site's menu or wherever you choose to place them, providing you with a seamless way to manage and display content. As we wrap up, it's essential to remember that dynamic pages save you time and effort by automatically showcasing content from your collections, meaning you don't have to manually update them every time you add new data. So go ahead and explore the possibilities by adding dynamic pages to your Wix site, and watch as your site becomes more user-friendly and interactive for your visitors. Thanks for tuning in, and happy creating!